on yet?
Yeah.
Okay, hello everybody. We are on, oh, let me put my big flag in here. We are on Harmony of the Sea. What ocean is this, honey?
This is the Atlantic Ocean.
This is the Atlantic Ocean. You guys see I'm getting nice and healed up from my surgery. That's why I have these beautiful scars. And yeah, so I got my wig on today. I just did a quick little flat iron with my hot comb. Go over to our Instagram page to see that video, and we're getting ready to go to Aruba and just enjoy ourselves. Enjoy life. Shop with Magic Hair Company if you want high quality wigs. You see my hair is whipping around on vacation and I don't have any worries. Tomorrow I will have on my curly wig, but most importantly, don't forget that we now do medical reimbursement. So if you have any sort of hair loss, we can get you a prescription, or you can get a prescription from your doctor for a medical wig, and then come on into Magic Hair Company and we will gladly fill your prescription for a medical wig. So you can have your insurance that you're already paying for, pay for your new luxurious wig from Magic Hair Company. Shop with us if you want the best, because when I travel in style. I am a luxury black girl. I have a luxury vacation vlog. And we always travel with the best of the best wigs. So I have my straight hair today. Tomorrow I'll do my curly. The day after I'll do my wavy. But one thing I don't have to worry about on vacation is getting in the water. I can get in the water. I know I can still run my fingers through my hair. I know my curly hair will look good. I know if I go swimming or in the ocean with my curly hair, I just get out and rinse it and it is good to go by dinner. You don't want to be that person on vacation with cheap hair. Cheap hair is for cheap people, and cheap hair will ruin your vacation. Shop with Magic Hair Company. You get a quality glueless lace wig from us. Come on into our Culver City store if you want the best. We specialize in glueless lace wigs. We do custom color. We will style that wig for you. You will look amazing. And now we can get that prescription filled for your medical wig and get it covered. Check us out at magichaircompany.com. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. We are Magic Hair Company, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time.